Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are preparing for the Databricks Certified Generative AI Engineer Associate exam, then today's video is a game changer for you. We are going to walk through important Databricks Certified Generative AI Engineer Associate sample questions just like the ones on Pass for Future, so that you can feel confident that these questions give you an authentic exam experience. The Databricks Certified Generative AI Engineer Associate Certification Exam is designed for engineers who build and deploy LLM-based solutions using Databricks, including vector search, prompt design, and model evaluation. This exam tests your ability in 1. How to design generative AI models. 2. How to deploy on the Databricks environment. 3. How to resolve real-world problems with them. Many candidates feel confident after studying theory, but when the real exam arrives, the question style is often very different. That's where Pass for Future sample questions become extremely important. These questions help you identify your weak areas, improve your time management skills, understand how problems are framed, learn to choose the best answer under pressure, real exam-style multiple-choice questions, detailed explanations for every answer, regularly updated content based on the latest exam objectives, practice tests that help you track and improve your performance. This means you are not just memorizing answers, you are actually understanding the concepts, practicing how they are applied in real situations, and preparing yourself to pass the exam with confidence. We also mention some practice questions for a detailed version. Visit pass4future.com. A generative AI engineer is developing an LLM application that generates personalized birthday poems. What technique will most effectively protect the application from malicious user inputs? Correct. Answer D. Implement a safety filter to detect harmful inputs and block them. This type of question tests your understanding of guardrails and safety design in AI apps. A generative AI engineer building a RAG system wants to index articles by topic and date so that a user can search news around January 5th within 10 days. How should the vector index be set up? Correct. Answer C. Include metadata columns for topic and article date to support filtering. This shows how vector search configurations and metadata design matter in real scenarios. A team is concerned about toxic outputs from social media data in a news summarization system. Which guardrail will best limit toxic outputs? Correct. Answer C. Use only approved, trusted sources to reduce unexpected toxic content. This tests your risk and quality mitigation skills in generative AI. Going through these Generative AI Engineer Associate sample questions helps you understand how real exam questions are framed, builds your ability to think in real use case scenarios, improves your speed and exam confidence. If you want to pass the Databricks Certified Generative AI Engineer Associate exam, incorporating Pass for Future Generative AI Engineer Associate sample questions into your preparation can be a big advantage. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on which exam you are preparing for next. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your exam.